Good morning, everybody. It's your pal Jimmy. I'm still here. I actually got the tent vacated and was getting stuff packed up and ready to go. And surprise, surprise, it's raining. Checkout is at noon, and it's like 9. It's almost 9, but I got to get out of here. I was honestly just getting my boots on. I got one boot on, and just bam! It just started raining hard. If you've seen the gear series and whatnot, or other things, like I tell people in a couple of my videos to keep your stuff dry, let it sit out. On this kind of trip, I have no option. I gotta wait until I get to a place that will be dry and then set everything up. I just have no idea when that's gonna be. I really don't know. I've been checking the weather, and it looks like there's gonna be spotty rain all day. Once again, I'm gonna be packing my tent wet. It really sucks. It's just rain, 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 fog, rain. This too shall pass, I guess. Oh man, I'm literally not a happy camper right now. I'm a very angry camper, a very frustrated camper. There's more storms on the way. This is the only window I got. Get into town, get some cash, get some coffee. Other than that, this is, my existence is mobile at the moment. I'm going to try to find a new place to sit. So doing impromptu moto camping trips on the busiest time of year during a once-in-a-lifetime or twice-in-a-lifetime centennial moment in a very busy touristy part of the country is going to leave a lot of stuff booked. I'm finally at a place, Land's End. It's a primitive campsite that I got, so I'll be setting up here for the next 3 nights. So I'm going to set up here, and then I got a couple tours to do in town, and I got to eat. I'm just happy that some sun is out.